Hello everyone, welcome to Sugi Cooks. In this video, I've shared how to prepare a quick chutney prepared with Kadalai Maavu or Besan. This chutney is widely popular by the name Bombay Chutney in local restaurants and roadside eateries in many parts of Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. And this chutney is super tasty with Poori, Idli and Dosa. To prepare this, add 2 tablespoons oil in a cooking pan. To the hot oil, add half teaspoon mustard seed, half teaspoon urad dal, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, and 2 teaspoon chana dal. Let the spices crackle and then give a quick toss. Add 2 large thinly sliced onions. I'm adding quarter teaspoon salt for onions to cook faster. Toss until onions turn translucent. Now add 2 green chilies, 2 red chilies, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, quarter teaspoon hing, half teaspoon turmeric powder, and few curry leaves. Toss well until everything is well combined. Add 1 medium-sized chopped tomato. Cook until tomatoes turn soft. Now add 2 cups of water. Mix well and allow to boil. In a mixing bowl, add quarter cup chickpea flour and half cup water. Mix well without any lumps. Now add the prepared mixture to boiling water. Reduce the flame to simmer and mix vigorously to avoid any lumps. Add required salt for curry. Mix well. The curry will now become thick and start to splutter. Cook partially covered to avoid splashing. Cook in simmer for 5 minutes and keep mixing every few minutes so that the mixture doesn't become lumpy or stick to the pan. Finally, add squeeze of fresh lime and handful of chopped coriander leaves. Mix well. The Bombay chutney is now ready. This chutney is light and flavorful and super tasty with Poori, Idli and Dosa. Do give this a try and share your valuable feedbacks and comments on how you liked it. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you can stay updated with all my future video uploads. See you very soon in another interesting recipe. Until then, happy cooking and stay healthy.